Man don't come outside though, come blast Ohanaeze, Ndigbo, say they don't collect some money for Tinubu, that's why they no want talk for wetin dey happen, and for illegal detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are not encouraging, and they are not encouraging also Ndigbo to come outside to protest so that they will fit change things, or they do a revolution in order way to change Nigeria. Now I can say this one dey happen, but however we go look inside, we'll find out how it dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. Let's quickly jump into this matter. Go know wetin dey shele today. They say one man don't come outside though. He cut off for this interview, say that Ohanaeze and some politicians, some elites, some Igbes, all of them, they don't go collect money from Tinubu, and that's why they are preventing Ndigbo, telling them that if they come outside to protest, so he said this one, that one. He said that the main thing is that they don't take money, and that is why they are not encouraging Ndigbo to come outside to protest. My people, what do you think about this? And he can't say that some people for inside this interview again see talk that the only solution for this country na revolution. Say that if revolution no come, the other person say na split. He say if the country split, he believes it is go good. I want you to watch this video and tell me your own opinion for inside comment section. Let's watch this video before we come back and continue.
If Tinubu does not pay bribe, by this time he would have been out. The army collect bribe, everybody, the judicial collect bribes. That is why Tinubu is there. Not that Tinubu is too strong. Tinubu is nobody, but because of the bribe he paid, that's why he's here. And probably the Ohanaeze, they are part of the people that have collected bribe.
Tinubu has bribed the Ohanaeze.
Yes, because I don't see a reason why you say that the Igbos will not partake. Is the Igbos not suffering? Are the Igbos not buying fuel? Are the Igbos not buying bread? Are the Igbos not buying gari? Why will you say that Igbo? That thing is just to set confusion, so that Nigerians will not be united. And they have been playing that role by disuniting the people. So they need to come out plain and tell us what they are doing. Because with what they are doing now, I'm sure they are not representing the Igbos. They are not representing the Igbos. They should stop all those nonsense they are doing. He said Igbo will not protest. They will not do sit at home. Where are you? Come out and tell us. They should come out. Come out and tell us and stop putting confusion.
Some people say they are aggrieved because of what transpired in the previous election.
Previous election what? Previous election what? Even if you are aggrieved, now is the time. This is not the time that somebody will say that because you did not support me the first time, I will not support this time. That one is lie. It's a strategy to frustrate the masses of Nigeria. That's a strategy. That because, listen, if I'm fighting for something and you did not support me this time, even if you come back next year to support me for what I'm fighting for, I'm going to embrace you. Because I will feel that, okay, now your eye have cleared. Come, let us join hands. I will not say because you did not support me the first time that, go, I will not. There is no way we'll succeed. The only way we'll succeed is in unity. And anybody that is causing disunity is an enemy of this country. So if you come and say, because you did not support me the first time, we told you people not to vote for Tinubu, now you people are protesting, we will not protest. That means you are giving, first of all, Tinubu have upper hand the first time. He played the game, he divided the people, now again you are still helping him to play the game.
So this one is a game played now.
It's a game played.
It's a master plan.
Look at the one of the chairman of our, look at his tummy, very big. He is feeding fat. Yes, he's feeding fat.
So Ohanaeze has collected bribe.
He has collected bribe. He has collected bribe. Ohanaeze have collected bribe. If they have not collected bribe, they should come out and tell us. Even the religious leaders have collected bribe. That's the truth. Because formerly in Jonathan Center, even in Essex, we saw Adeboye with black cards. Where is Adeboye? They have collected bribe. They have collected bribe. They should come out. They should come out.
So what's the way forward to Nigeria quagmire that we are currently in? Listen,
the prominent men of Nigerians, if the prominent men did not come out, the poor masses has no power because they has no finance. There is nothing you do with that money that you succeed. Even if you want to break, he needs money. And these men have collected money in one way or the other. They are all partakers of the corruption of this country, and that is why they are frustrating the effort of the masses, because they are feeding from this corruption. There is no Nigeria where the man that will come out and say he has not been a beneficiary of this corruption, but no problem. But this is the time for change. The suffering has come. Even those that are in National Assembly today, if you refuse to change it, don't worry, you will soon come back and join the masses. You will buy fuel. Don't worry. Don't worry.
So, sir, people are saying that you are calling for Tinubu impeachment. What's your thought?
It's not something As I'm here now, I'm praying every morning. I'm just waiting. If I go to my phone, I'm checking to see if they have impeached him. Every morning, I'm waking up with the hope that he has been impeached. Because he has no solution. I cannot see a country that somebody will have no solution and the person will still be there. You entered when dollar was how much? Today dollar is how much? Yes, and people are still leaving you. What are you working? Listen, if this car spoil and a mechanic came to fix this car, from the day the mechanic gets to that car, we will see improvement. But when the car begins to develop more fault and you allow that means you're a foolish person.
Incompetent.
Yes. I brought car with engine problem. Now I'm seeing gearbox and engine and etc. And you see allow the mechanic to be losing. You must be a foolish person.
Wow, that is wisdom. That is wisdom. That is wisdom. So Tinubu should be impeached.
He should be impeached and be arrested. Because the suffering of this country, somebody cannot plug Nigeria into the suffering and go free. The problem of Nigeria is that people commit crime and go free. And that's why people they are not afraid to commit crime. Because they know when they commit the crime, at the end of the day, nothing is going to happen to them. That's why they will commit the crime and even sit in their house. So people even go and be praising them.
And be dancing.
And be dancing. Welcoming them in their community as hero. If we must succeed in this country, everybody is going to put hand. If your brother is part of the corruption, you are going to bring him out. You are not going to cover anybody that this one is doing well in this community. It's a lie.
So revolution is the answer, sir.
Revolution must come for this country to change. Okay. And it's a collective effort. Not this one that some people will do. We will not protest. We will not join. We will not do. We will not that. It's a lie. You are only giving them more upper hand to bring more suffering to the masses of Nigeria.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
There's no hope for Nigeria except we'll split. With splitting, I hope that will be a good thing because Nigeria is too big for one person.
Removing fuel subsidy is what we are experiencing now. If it has put years, it was too early and it was in a...
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, and do not forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section as well. So tell me what you think about this thing where our brother don't talk. Say it be like say Ohanaeze take something, and that's why they encourage Ndigbo. Say may they not come aside, come participate for anything where they happen for inside Nigeria. What do you think? Do you actually make sense here, or that is something that you want to drop or you want to add as well? So do not forget to leave your own opinion as well, my people. Now so we see more for inside street. Now we say more bring a come give on. I beg, may you try to share this video for more updates as it is hot, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.